I'm Sarah Rhodes. Today we're going to check out a 2-bedroom, 2-bathroom beachfront luxury condo in Caba Reef. We're going to start off by, you saw the view. We have a lot of outdoor entertainment space. You've got a grill out here, perfect for guest entertainment. And then inside, we have an open concept living, dining, and kitchen. You have stainless steel appliances here, and you also have storage and laundry in the unit. First, we'll check out the guest bedroom and bathroom. You have nice spacious bedrooms here, good closet space. Then you have a full bathroom. This non-attached, which is great for having guests. And then you have an ocean-facing master suite. Just look at the view from here, it's absolutely amazing. You have great storage here, double closets, and then you have a very large ensuite master bathroom with a double vanity and a jacuzzi bathtub as well. For more information, check us out at RealtorDR.com.